Hello, Chef here. So I just wanted to mention this to you. When you're ricing potatoes, you get a fine product if you get one of these really nice ricers. This one here is made in Italy. Show you what's in the box. Looks pretty nice. You put your potato in there, you smash it through, comes out the bottom. Beautiful. Interchangeable stainless steel blades. You gotta like that. There's two of them. I actually like the larger one for most use. Maybe the smaller one if I'm making a really fine potato dumpling or something like that. Okay. Really, really nice. You can score one of these at your sponsor right there. Thanks for watching, and please check out our gnocchi recipes as well as the chef's other recipes. Keep cooking and have a great day. Oh, look at those Lyonnaise potatoes. Subscribe. Recipes coming very soon.